Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on drawing cartoons, and you can see it on my website, free tutorials and places where you can get the books at every bookseller, by the way. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw something from drawing animals shape by shape. It's really an easy method and it's fun to do. Let me open the book. Okay, here we go. This is how to draw a hippopotamus from simple shapes. It's fun, it's easy. I like you to follow along with me. So I'm going to draw this and we'll see how close we come. All right, let me put it over here for right now. And we're going to start with a gigantic oval because hippopotami are gigantic. And it doesn't have to be a perfect oval. Imperfect's good too. For instance, your oval might be flat on the bottom. Mine's going to just stay round, I think, for this. But as you can see, it's sketchy, not perfect. It's a starting point, not a finishing point. You can adjust it as we go, we probably will. Okay, then, inside the oval, we add another oval. Now this one is very close to the bottom of the first oval, like this. I'm going to do this over again in black afterwards so you can really see it. I'm going to even bring this a little further out on this side, like that. See that? Erase the original one and make it even so it's a little further on this side. I just think it'd be fun. So we're changing and adding to our original form. Okay, now I'm going to put a center line down the middle one here, and we will add this little kind of eye structure on top of the first oval, just like that. Make sure this is wide enough, nice and wide. I'm going to widen mine just a little. Okay, now right here close to the face, these fun little stumpy arms, just like that. Cut them off square at the bottom. They kind of taper down this way. And behind them, a couple ones that are just shorter because of perspective. You know, the nearer thing looks bigger. We'll bring this tummy down a little bit here. So I'll erase this part here, and I'll erase this part here. So the guidelines get us started, but they don't finish. We have to finish the drawing. So let's put in two little eyes on either side of the head. Not too far apart. If it's too far apart, you kind of lose the energy of the character. So let's keep it like that. And fill in the eyes sort of in the middle, a little close together. I'm going to bring this down a bit. And bring it in like this. Bring this down a bit and bring it in. I'll erase this part inside it. So it looks a little heavier. It's kind of falling down. See, now it's coming down a little further toward the tummy area. Now let's give him a big smile on both sides. And this will come up in the middle and down, like that. See, that comes up a little bit in the middle? The bridge of the nose right here. Two big nostrils. I'll make them squiggles. Why not? It's kind of funny. Bring the cheek up. Okay, I'm going to erase this part a little bit, keep it a little bit clean. Not too cluttered. All right, and we'll give him some little bit of ears on the side. And some eyebrows, just like this. Now I'm going to bring this down a touch so he's not so gigantic. He's got a lot of body there. I think we need to put him on a tiny bit of a diet. I mean, he'll fight us on that, but I'm sorry. He's my cartoon. You don't get to say. That's the nice thing about being a cartoonist. Your characters have to do what you tell them to do. Although if I draw my dog, it's a different story. He's really not interested in obeying anything I say. Matter of fact, he gave me a report card the other day. Said I wasn't giving him treats fast enough. He was going to give me a demerit. What could I do? I'll try harder next time. All right, so here we go. And I am going to use the pen to make them darker now, which will make it bolder, easier to see. Be careful in the eyes. I always start in the eyes, don't I? Because without the eyes looking good, the rest doesn't fall into place. So let's just get started this way. Good. I think we've gotten it. Eyebrows. And the top head shape. That's really another shape, isn't it? And bring this out, make a curve, because this is really the cheek. The smile is pushing it up, so it has a lot of lift to it. Okay, bring it around to the chin. And bring it around the same way this side, just as gradual on this side. There we go. And I'm going to bring this in a little. The smile comes out. And then it raises up in the middle. And we'll give them 2 nostrils. Like that. Bridge of the nose, a little marking there. And let's bring that body around. See, this is lower to the ground right here, this stomach. And you bring it way around. It's impressive. It gets your attention. They're using a lot of room for this character. And that's why it's funny to give them these funny little legs that are tapered, kind of dainty almost. And some toes. And let's put some grass in to show the line of the ground, especially under here, so we can just get a little perspective on it. I know the tail probably can't make it all the way to the back, but I'm going to put a little tail in anyway. It's a little cheat, but it's kind of fun. It's cartoonist style. We're allowed to cheat a little. And now we'll erase it and see where we go, how we did. Okay, erasing. Tell me when to stop. Somebody tell me. Oh, I heard somebody watching the video. They said to stop. Okay, good. I will stop. How do we do? Let's see. Let's take a look at the original one. This is from the book. This is what we started with, the hippo, based on simple shapes, 2 ovals, and that's what we have. We're done. Hey, that was fun. Listen, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every Monday. And if you post a comment, I will usually get back to you. I try to comment on as many people as I can. Thanks so much for joining me today. Bye-bye.